Hello, my planner friends. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to do a review of the Anna Leather Snap Binder in Sailor Blue. This is one of Franklin Planner's new binders for the fall, and I would like to thank them for sending this binder to me to do an honest review. In this video, I am going to talk about the color, the look, and the feel of the binder, its features, how much it weighs, and how much it carries. Let's get to it. So this is how the binder comes. It comes wrapped in a clear cellophane with tissue paper, and here's the tag. Again, the color is called Sailor Blue. This binder also comes in a red color. I believe it's called Carmine Red. And here she is. This smells like leather, guys. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. This is a blue color. I like to show my binders up close so you can see the texture and the stitching and just everything. But this is a leather binder. Let me show you the whole binder first. It looks like this. And the first thing I notice is this detailed stitching here. And that's very different and very nice. It looks very premium. Now the color is like a grayish blue, but it's more blue than gray or ash blue. And I also noticed the stitching here going down the spine. Looks very, very sharp. It's a textured leather. Everything looks perfect. The stitching, everything. Oh wow, look at this. Now on the back of this snap binder, you have a zipper here. That's how it looks on the inside there. Can you see that? It's like a nylon material on the inside, which is great. So that means that things can slip easily in and out of here. It won't get stuck on the material. So here you could put some markers, you could put some sticker sheets or different planner accessories there. I think this is the first time I've ever owned a binder that had a zipper on the outside of the binder. Very, very nice. Now let me tell you something that is different or extraordinary about this binder. This binder comes in all sizes. That's right, all sizes. So it comes in the pocket size, it comes in the compact size, it comes in the classic size, which is the size you see here. I use the classic size, and it even comes in the monarch size. So that is very, very cool. A lot of times their binders will only come in certain sizes, but they almost always come in the classic size. This binder comes in all sizes at the time of this video. Now this is a snap closure binder, as you can see there. So let's open her up. Oh wow. Look at all the organization in there, guys. Now this is my first Anna binder. It's beautiful. Here's the tag here if you would like to see it close up. These rings are 1.25 inches. And again, this is in the color Sailor Blue. The rings are silver. And this binder comes with 2 page lifters, which is very nice. This helps protect your planner pages from getting all raggedy. Very, very nice. The rings feel like they snap together tightly. Now let me show you the rings up close. These rings are tightly closed, which is important because when you turn your planner pages, you don't want the pages to get stuck. If they're slightly gapped, your pages could get stuck. So I like the way the rings look here. Now look at all this organization. Okay, let's start with the pin loops. You have a pin loop on the front cover and a pin loop on the back cover. And as you can see, it has elastic on the back there so it can accommodate larger and smaller ink pens. You have a pocket here where you can slip paper in or what have you there. Can you see that? Then you have another zipper. In addition to the one on the outside, you have another zipper here. And this has a gusseted pocket, as you can see right here. You can slip things in there. Some highlighters, maybe, some other different planner things. Oh, and this slides very, very smoothly. Very premium. I like that. And you have a secretarial pocket right here. And notice how it's leather behind here. There's attention to detail there. Now on the back side of the secretarial pocket is nylon. It looks like, I think that's that nylon material, so that things can slide easily in and out. Here you have a window see-through pocket, well, card holder, and then you have other card holders. So in addition to the see-through card holder, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets for cards. Let's look on the back here. And in the back, now I have never had a binder like this. I mean, the features are really premium on this binder. You have a pocket here where you can put documents, you can put a notepad, you can put stickers. You have 3 whole pockets. Oh, wait. Okay, so these 2 pockets go all the way across the back of the binder. Then you have a pocket here. It's like a half pocket, and then there's a stitching here, and then there's a pocket here. And there you see the Franklin Covey name embossed on the back cover there. But this looks very, very nice. I think it looks professional. Now, I just want to show you the footprint of the Anna compared to a Planner Love simulated leather binder. But see how it seems like it's more slender this way. I like that it has a minimal footprint here, where compared to the Planner Love binder here that's simulated leather, it seems like it's kind of more bulky, where it kind of comes out like that more, where this one tries to be more minimal. So if we compare it this way, as far as the size, they are like the same. If we look at both of the spines, this one looks, to me, it looks slightly wider than the Anna does. So I like that the footprint, well, wait a minute. When I compare it like this, the Anna looks like it's slightly taller, but it's like you can barely see it. But it's maybe a tad bit taller than a Planner Love binder, but not really. But I like how this seems like it was made to have a minimal footprint. I like that a lot. Although it's a leather binder, I'm just seeing great attention to detail here with the Anna binder. So now let's weigh this binder. Now keep in mind this binder is the classic size, so if you get a different size it may matter with the weight, and also the 2 page lifters are in this binder. So the classic size Anna here weighs about 1 pound 6 ounces. So let's compare that to a non-leather binder, because weight matters to some people. So I have the Planner Love binder here. Let's compare it to this non-leather binder. This binder weighs less, about 3 ounces less. So the difference between a leather Anna binder and a Planner Love non-leather binder is about 3 ounces. This binder feels semi-structured, so it looks like it's a little bit pliable. You can bend it just a little bit. So it's not a stiff binder here, not at all. It's semi-structured. So see there how I can bend that a little bit? So now let's talk about what will fit in this binder. This binder has 1.25 inch rings. We're going to compare it to this binder, which is the Tyler leather binder, and it has larger ring, 1.5 inch rings. So in this binder, I put a whole daily planner in here. So in other words, in the 1.5 inch rings, what fit was this whole planner. The original October 2020 through September 2021 is the daily planner, 2 pages per day, classic. It can close, but it's not perfect. As you can see, it's kind of struggling with everything laying flat. So probably in real life here, we would take some of these pages out. It would close, yes, it would certainly close. So in the 1.5 inch Tyler, you can get a whole year of daily, day on 2 pages in the 1.5 inch rings. So now we're going to try to fit these pages in the Anna so you can see what fits in the Anna compared to a 1.5 inch binder. Okay, for comparison purposes, I took all of those planner pages out of the Tyler 1.5 inch rings. These rings are bigger than these rings, and put all of those planner pages in here. Does it fit? Yes, it all fits, but can I close it? Let's see. Okay, so I don't think that's going to work. Most people don't carry around a whole year's worth of daily planner pages. In fact, Franklin Planner recommends that you carry the current month, the prior month, and the future month in your planner at least. So if you try to carry a whole year's worth of planner pages in here, it probably will not fit because these are smaller rings. So let's take out a couple of months and see if that will fit. So now I have 7 months of daily planner pages in here, and I'm checking the front. So if you had to write something in the front here, it's okay. Turn to the back. It's comfortable. So yeah, I think it fits a lot. Someone asked me one time on Facebook to talk about what fits in different size ring bound planners, so I hope this helps. So if you have any questions about this binder, please let me know. But I think it is very, very well made. I'm so impressed with the organization features. If you're someone that likes the zippers and you like to put stuff in your binder and you have other things that you want to put in there, this is a great, great option. Now, I really am liking this color. I was not sure from the website if I would like it, but I really, really do. Sometimes when I look at it, it almost looks like there could be purple, but it's not. It's definitely blue. I think that this is a great binder for men as well as women. It feels a little like cushiony when you feel on it here. It just feels like it's a well-made quality binder. I see people talking about Anna binders all the time on social media, and now I see why. It is very, very, very nice, and it is definitely probably one of the nicest binders that I now own. I highly recommend this binder. So if you don't follow me already, please consider following me on Instagram and on Facebook, because I will be posting pictures of myself using this binder. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about this binder or on anything planner related, I love talking to you guys and I love discussing planners. So feel free to put those comments in the area underneath this video. And don't forget, you can save money with affiliate promo code Tonya Plans on the franklinplanner.com website. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.